Welcome to a new video where we're going to be having our first cat slot picking competition, where we're going to have our competitors B and Fudgey pick a slot machine to see which one can get the better bonus. So right now we have Fudgey up and she's picking. And it looks like it's going to be Dragon Link. Next up, we have B rummaging around the bowl, and it looks like Coin Trio. All right, here we go.
All right, so cameraman's gonna be playing for B. This is in the competition between B and Fudgey to see who can get the better bonus. So, starting out here, B picked Coin Trio. Can you turn it up a little bit? Thank you. Oh! All right, this is gonna be B's bonus. Goldie Wiggly. We need another red. Oh, nice. Oh, wow. Come on, I need a red below. Oh, that's incredible. All right. Go ahead and press it. So that's, B's wins $86. That is gonna be tough to beat. So this is gonna be Fudgey's entry into the competition to see who can get a better bonus, Fudgey the cat or B the cat. Since we played 88 cents for B's, we're gonna do $1 for Fudgey's. Let's see if she can get a better bonus. Oh. She's got tough competition. Oh, 20 bucks.
Ding dong.
That's keeping her in.
Chengdu.
Come on, Fudge. I was hoping the buildings is what we needed. I'm gonna guess it's the horse archer. No. Come on.
Ding dong.
Oh man. Fudge is just eating through my money. Jeez. All right, come on, Fudgy. One more. Yes. Whew. All right, come on, Fudge. Oh, that's good. No. All right, Fudgy's win was $3.80.
So not particularly great on that one.
No, I think Beat wins in no uncertain terms. Well, B's our champion.